Mutongoi wa ngwatanio ya Azimio Raila Odinga na President William Ruto nimavitukana kukon'ya usakuani munene wa mwakani wa ngili ile na miongo ile na vala Ruto ukuweta kana mututia General Francis Ogolla niwaendie Bomas kuvingiisa usindi wake mainene tathini cha kulilikana Ogolla kila tatwa kiwanzani cha ulinzi complex musini wa Ilovi. Raila niwaweta kana General Ogolla ndai na utonyi ona umwe wa kuvindua Mausungio ma usakuani munene wa mwakani wa ngili ile miongo ile vara. Raila wakathi ya Ogolla kwa uthukumi wake mwailu na mumilu. Nilivoti umanicho niwe Ben Mark Musao.
Musumbi William Ruto na ndongo ya Azimio wa Kenya Raila Odinga nimavitukana uneni Yiulu uneni wa Ruto wakana munene wa mututia Francis Ogolla na olona komanie na kikuo chake kumana na mbanga ya ndeke aikati wala niwaendie Bomas of Kenya kutata kusenzia Mausungio ma usakuani wa kivila cha Musumbi usakuani ni muthelu na vala President Ruto kuweta mututia Ogolla tawamwekethi seva ina muvango usu kavinda kalama yumba noni wa nthini itina wa Ruto kuithwa kithito chawea kuyanana na Ruto ni kana Ogolla itina wake kuumbula ki tawamwenda Ruto kumutiethia wea kana kumwekea na nivokumana na ki Ruto amuiye kumunenga mwanya usu.
I asked General Ogolla for a meeting, and I had a one-on-one, man-to-man, come to Jesus meeting with General Ogolla. And when we concluded that meeting, General Ogolla told me the following: Mr. President, I have no defense. I will not try to defend myself. It was wrong what happened. And you have three choices. Either send me to court-martial, or have me retired, or forgive me. That evening, went home after that meeting, and I reflected on what General Ogolla had told me. And in that reflection, I thought of my own story and my own episode at the ICC in The Hague.
Na ke Raila ngalikwa yake weta mututia Ogolla ndai eka uu ayenda ukunikilo ametoke kutwaiwa Yiulu kikuo chake ni kana kumina zeke ila siendeye.
Your Excellency, I want to conclude by saying that because of the manner in which Ogolla died, a lot of rumors are flying around all over. We want these rumors to be put to rest. And this can only happen if there's a thorough investigation to tell us the cause of the death. As we lay Ogolla tomorrow to rest, I want us to remove the stigma, Your Excellency. Because I knew this man very well. General Ogolla would never have contemplated or thought about going to Bomas of Kenya to force Mr. Chebukati to alter the results of last general elections. So we want this to be removed as we lay him to rest.
Aya manene ya chathini cha mboya si mwanya ni kuondoa mututia na ila si atwaigua ulinzi house musini wa Ilovi na vala ndongo ikivathukanio ila si evikite vo sia mukathi ya Ogolla ta mundu na ikithito na wakwikwatua.
General Ogolla, despite being a very tough general and commander who is celebrated for his various accomplishments, was also a very humorous man. He was full of very good jokes, and many a time in tense situations, he would make everybody feel comfortable. Many a time as we waited at the airport, Your Excellency, to welcome you or to see you off to foreign countries. The General would keep us busy with many good stories and keep us entertained. And I do remember one such day when you left and we were left there and we were in a hurry to leave as you took off. And he told me, Mr. Deputy President, it is good for me to inform you that when you are in a military facility and the Commander-in-Chief is away, I am the senior most military officer here, and all of you take orders from me. And you only leave when I tell you so. And after we stayed for a while, he said, you may now take off. I give you fallout.
If there was a description of humility, an epitome of humility, then the general who has fallen is indeed a symbol of humility.
Let's honor his memory by upholding the values he held very dear: loyalty, honor, and service to our country. And to the Kenya Defense Forces, let us uphold the unity and the camaraderie he championed through his motto, one force, one mission.
We accept the will of God. Your Excellency, my duty is to assure you that the Kenya Defense Forces remains strong despite the loss. We are continuing with our duties of securing our country just like the General would have wanted us.
Vilingi wa Mauvo Mutongoi TV, nyenita wa Ben Musau.